Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the Glossy Box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited to see what I got in this box, but as always, before I get into my box, I always want to introduce myself to anyone who's new that may have stumbled across my channel. So welcome all, welcome anyone new, welcome anyone who's been already subscribed to my channel. My name is Aisha. I love makeup and I do lots of makeup subscription unboxes on my channel. If you love makeup and you love watching makeup unboxing videos and makeup hauls, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It's greatly appreciated. And if can do me a favor, if you love my video, you can just give me a little thumbs up. It helps the channel. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let's see what's in this box. So all I gotta say, first thing is, this box must have a lot of stuff in here because it could barely like close. I have to hold this closed and it feels really heavy. So I don't know if it's like a moisturizer in here or something, but it's very, very heavy. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's dig in. This is a UK makeup subscription box, but I feel like a lot of stuff in here they sell in the United States, but it just, the United States sells everything, but these are supposed to be like UK brands. Without further ado, let's just get in. So, this is the inside of the box. I always love, how their boxes are built. They're very sturdy and strong. This is a sneak peek at what it looks like when you take the, lid off the box. They always have very good, like, how they wrap everything. I love like their presentation of everything. So we're going to open her up and see what's inside. We have a card here. The card tells you everything that's in the box, and I see a lot of skincare already. So I don't know how happy I'm going to be. I don't see not one makeup thing in here. If you're new to my channel, I always say like I love when it's more like makeup products than skincare, but let's see. The last two boxes that I did, I think it was like my Macy's box and my Ipsy. I think it was a Macy's box. There was no makeup in there, but it was like not skincare, but I just loved everything in there that wasn't makeup. So let's see, maybe this box will do the same for me. So we're about to find out together. Oh, now I know what was making this box so heavy. This is my sneak peek right here for you guys. So this little bad boy right here was making my box so heavy. So let's see if we could get a little clear picture for you. There we go. So this is called Bioderma. It is a micellar. Is this a micellar water? Purifying cleansing micelle solution. So because it's a UK brand, Bioderma is not an American brand. They call it micelle solution, but it's micellar water. It's funny because I actually was going to buy some more micellar water because I use them in my makeup wipes to make my wipes more hydrated. So when I take off like my makeup at night, they come off a lot more faster. But now I don't have to buy some makeup removal or like micellar water because I got one. So that's a little fun fact for you guys. If you want your wipes to be a little bit more moist, just pour a little micellar water, shake it up and down, and then it'll take your makeup off. But micellar water tends not to be oily, so you don't really feel any like grease or anything when you're taking your makeup off. So I'm super excited for this. This is combination oily skin, so which is great because I don't like any oil from like anything I'm using to take my makeup off. It says no rinse, paraben free, hypoallergenic, and this is a hefty size, 500 ml. This is what was weighing down this bad boy. So, item number one, I want to say this box was I paid $21 for this box. It just depends on if you do annual or yearly, how more the box could be, 22, 23, 24, 25, like depending on how, just like BoxyCharm, if you pay monthly or if you pay for every 6 months, it can be cheaper depending on, if you lock it in longer, you pay less. So I did the whole year, so I want to say I paid like $21 a month for this box, which is not too shabby. So this product that I just got was $14.90. So right off the bat, that's almost the price of the box. So let's see what else is in here. The next thing I got is a lightweight facial lotion by C's. Never heard of it. It's for normal to oily skin, which that is my skin type. I'm normal to oily. So I don't remember doing a survey when I did the Glossybox. So I don't know if they do them by survey, but that's my skin type. So I got 2 for 2. That is for my skin type. So this is what the box looks like. And let's see what the product looks like. Lightweight facial moisturizer. It looks like so. Let's see if it has a smell. Oh, I do not like the smell of that. Definitely going to be giving this away. Regardless if I like the smell or not, I always give the skincare away because like my skin is sensitive first and foremost. So I don't really like to mix and match moisturizers too much. But also I just have so much skincare and I can only use like one moisturizer at a time, one eye cream at a time. So I know if it works or not. So by the time I finish using my stuff, I'd rather just give it away so somebody else can use it. Alrighty, let's see what else is in here. I got a high maintenance peeling mask. It says made with cannabis sativa oil. So, but what does it do? What does this do? It's a purifying. Oh, so it's like a mask. Oh, just a purifying mask. By the brand High. I guess because it has like the CBD in it. This is what it looks like. Alrighty, and it says the deluxe mini is $20, so that's what I got. The full size is $46. The next thing I got is Smarter CBD. So what is this? 200 milligrams of CBD. I guess you put this in your drink. CBD drinks optimize it. So it's something that you can put in your drink. This is coconut flavored, caffeine free. So that's what it looks like. And then there's different flavors you can do. That's all the flavors that you can do. So that's interesting. I didn't know they made stuff like that where like one that it helps with you waking up. This is one for sleeping called Dreamy, one for like a boost in your immune system, and they all have like CBD in it. So I don't know if I'm going to try this, but very interesting. The next thing I got is reusable rounds. I got something like this, I think I want to say my cause box, which is kind of cool. They're reusable rounds. So, like, if you ever use, like, reusable, not reusable, but just cotton swab rounds to take off your eye makeup, these you can actually use a couple of times and then throw them out. So, that's what this looks like. So, that's very interesting. I got a 2-pack of these. So, I still haven't even used the one that I got before, but eventually I'll get around to that. The next thing I got is by Hydra Biome by Corez. It's a probiotic super dose face mask. I'm probably going to give this away. Let's see the prices for that. That retails for $10 at deluxe size, and a full size is $49. So you definitely do get your bang for your buck. Like I said, they show you the prices and everything on the little pamphlet they give you. Well, I could definitely use these cotton rounds with my micellar water. So I'm excited for these 2 things. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna give this moisturizer away. I don't see what this, it says whipped face mask, instantly cools, hydrates, nourish skin. I'm going to give the mask away. It's nothing that I think I'm going to need. And then peeling mask. Oh, this is a peeling mask. I like peeling masks. Maybe I'll try this. I do not know. But, and then this, don't know about this either. But, nevertheless, let's rate the box like I always do at the end of the video. I would give this month's Glossy Box for the month of January a... what should I give them? A 4. I would give it a 5 if I liked at least half of the box. I'm doing it out of 10, so because I didn't like more than half, they didn't get a 5. I only liked really like 2 things, but this is the main thing I'm excited about, which is like Micellar Water, which is weird, but this weighed down this whole box. But yeah, that's it. I'm not too excited for this Glossy Box, so it was a womp 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 for me this month. What box should I do next? I think I'm gonna do my Walmart beauty box next. I just got my Birchbox in the mail today, so I'll film that afterwards. So normally I always film like 2 to 3 videos a day, just so that way if I'm tired when I come home from work and I don't feel like filming, I already have something preset. So if you guys see me with the same outfit on, it's because I filmed multiples and triple videos a day just so that you guys always have content. So trying to keep on top of my boxes so at the end of the month I don't have to scramble to do them all at one time. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, become a part of my YouTube family. We're all family here. And if you're watching my videos anyway, at least you'll know when I upload my next video, if you hit that notification bell. So subscribe and become a part of my family. And I'll see everyone in my next unboxing. Love and miss you guys.